നമസ്കാരം. ഡി ഫാർമസി ഡിസ്കഷനിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എല്ലാ ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് കോമ്പറ്റേറ്റീവ് എക്സാംസിനും വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള സബ്ജക്റ്റ് വൈസ് MCQ സീരീസിലെ തേർഡ് വീഡിയോ ആണിത്. ബയോകെമിസ്ട്രി ആൻഡ് ക്ലിനിക്കൽ പത്തോളജിയിലെ സെലക്റ്റഡ് 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് ചെക്ക് ഔട്ട് ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. Okay, let's check out the answers. First one, specific test for protein containing the amino acid arginine. Answer Sakaguchi test. Second one, Kwashiorkor is a deficiency disease of protein. Third one, phospholipids are also known as phosphatides. Next one, pre-beta lipoproteins are very low density lipoproteins. Fifth one, expand EFA, that is essential fatty acid. Sixth question, glycerol is commonly called glycerin. Which one is known as the solid bile alcohol? Answer cholesterol. Next one, vitamin B12 is also known as cyanocobalamin. Inactive form of enzyme is called proenzyme or zymogen. Expand PEM, that is protein energy malnutrition. Eleventh question, which is the principal sugar of milk? Answer lactose. Lecithin is most commonly associated with phosphatidylcholine. Next question, steroids have a common structure called cyclopentanoperhydrophenandrin ring. Next, the rate of enzyme reaction increases with increase in pH. Sugar commonly known as table sugar is sucrose. Sixteenth question, the Molisch test is the identification test for carbohydrates. The regulatory mechanism of vitamin A in brightness and darkness is called Waltz cycle. Nyctalopia is the deficiency disease of which vitamin? Answer vitamin A. 19th question, clotting factor 2 is called prothrombin. An example for homopolysaccharides is starch, glycogen, cellulose, etc. are other examples. Which one is known as animal starch? Answer glycogen. 22, example for reducing monosaccharide. Answer glucose, fructose, glyceraldehyde, galactose. Reducing disaccharides are lactose and maltose. Presence of sugar in urine is called glucoseuria. 24, enzyme present in tears are lysosome. 25th question, conversion of glucose to glycogen is called glycogenesis. 26th question, expand SGOT. Answer, serum glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase. Okay, then what is SGOT? That is myocardial infarction, can be diagnosed by estimating SGOT. Next question, which one is called embedded Meyerhof pathway? That is glycolysis. Molecules with which Krebs cycle started is oxaloacetate. Citric acid cycle is called Krebs cycle. 29th question, an alternate pathway for the metabolism of glucose is by HMP shunt, that is hexose monophosphate shunt. And the main pathway for the oxidation of glucose is by glycolysis. 30th question, conversion of lactic acid to glucose occurs entirely in the liver through which cycle? Answer, Cori cycle. The end product of neoglucogenesis is glucose. Neoglucogenesis is also called gluconeogenesis. 32, in liver, ammonia is converted to urea by which cycle? Answer, urea cycle. Next one, albinism caused by the deficiency of which enzyme? Answer, tyrosinase. An inborn error of phenylalanine hydroxylase metabolism is phenylketonuria. 35, the end product of glycolysis in the absence of oxygen is? Answer, lactate, that is, it is under anaerobic condition. Under aerobic condition, pyruvic acid is the end product. Question number 36, presence of bile salt in urine can be identified by Hayes sulfur test. Next one, glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver. Inhibition of glycolysis by oxygen is known as Pasteur effect. Next one, bile pigments are bilirubin and biliverdin. Excretion of blood in urine is called hematuria. A reference value of creatinine in urine is 1 to 2 gram per day. 42, all enzymes involved in glycolysis are present in mitochondria, that is in the extra mitochondrial soluble fractions of the cell. 42, insulin is secreted by the pancreas, that is secreted from the beta cells of islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. 44, Wilson's disease is due to the excess deposition of copper. Next one, the nitrogenous base absent in DNA is uracil. (46) The synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate precursors takes place in gluconeogenesis. The lipids are transported throughout the body as lipoproteins. Next, cobalt is a constituent of vitamin B12. 49, cholesterol acts as a structural compound of cell membrane which helps in the synthesis of vitamin D. And the last one, total number of ATP utilized in urea cycle. Answer, 3 ATP. Okay, 50 questions and answers complete ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു. യൂസ്ഫുൾ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും മറ്റുള്ളവരിലേക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ടോപ്പിക്കിനെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാവുന്ന പോയിന്റ്സ് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് പ്ലീസ് ഡു ക്ലിക്ക് ദ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടൺ. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.